Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering the top-rated and best-selling products across various categories. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. We have an exciting lineup for you as we dive into the world of basket making. Today, we will be counting down the best-selling basket making products available on Amazon. These are the must-have tools and materials that enthusiasts and professionals alike swear by. Without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the top picks that will elevate your basket making experience. At number 10 in our countdown of the best-selling basket-making products on Amazon, we have the 1-pound coil of flat reed for basket and seat weaving. This versatile and essential material for any weaver is available in natural or smoked color, allowing you to choose the perfect hue for your project. Whether you need 1/4 and 3/8, 1/2 and 5/8, or 3/4 inches wide reed, this product has you covered. Imagine the possibilities. With lengths ranging from 3 to 10 feet per piece, and a total coil length of up to 370 feet for the 1/4 inches width, your creativity knows no bounds. The 3/8 inches width offers 265 feet, 1/2 inches provides 185 feet, 5/8 inches gives you 120 feet, and the 3/4 inches width rolls out to 90 feet. These generous lengths ensure that whether you're crafting intricate baskets or weaving sturdy seats, you have ample material to bring your vision to life. Perfect for both seasoned artisans and beginners, this flat reed coil is designed to meet a variety of weaving needs. The natural color exudes a classic, rustic charm, while the smoked option adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. Each 1-pound coil is meticulously crafted to provide the highest quality reed, ensuring that your creations are not only beautiful, but also durable. So if you're looking to enhance your basketry projects with premium materials, the 1-pound coil of flat reed is your go-to choice. Embrace the art of weaving with confidence and let your creativity soar. At number 9 on our countdown of top-selling basket-making essentials on Amazon, we spotlight the 24 inches width natural rattan webbing for caning projects. This premium rattan webbing sheet, measuring 24 inches wide by 2 feet long, is your go-to solution for transforming furniture and crafting projects with effortless style. Imagine the possibilities with this high-quality cane webbing. Its natural color and open mesh design bring a touch of elegance and versatility to any project. Before diving into your creative process, a simple tip: soak the webbing in water for 10 to 15 minutes. This step flattens the material and makes it pliable, ensuring that it won't sag after finishing. The result? A perfectly smooth and durable surface ready for your craftsmanship. Crafted to be both light and tough, this rattan webbing is incredibly flexible, bending and shaping to fit your needs without fear of squeezing or pressing. Its softness and adaptability make it ideal for furniture decoration, offering a blend of function and style. Whether you're repairing a beloved chair or enhancing a new creation, this webbing delivers the perfect balance of strength and finesse. Setting up your webbing is a breeze. Simply cut it to your desired size with scissors and use a staple gun to secure it in place. And if you're feeling bold, the natural color of the webbing is paintable, allowing you to customize it to match any decor or design scheme. So, whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the 24 inches width natural rattan webbing is an essential addition to your toolkit. Embrace the ease of use, superior quality, and endless creative potential that this webbing offers, and elevate your projects to new heights. At number 8 in our countdown of Amazon's best-selling basket-making products, we present the 24 inches width natural square cane webbing, a true game-changer for your crafting and furniture projects. This roll of rattan webbing measures an impressive 24 inches wide and 5 feet long, offering you ample material to bring your creative visions to life. Crafted from natural rattan imported from Southeast Asia, this webbing is as environmentally friendly as it is versatile. Its natural, undyed color ensures long-term durability and resistance to fading, maintaining its vibrant, authentic look through years of use. With its light yet robust construction, the rattan webbing bends and shapes with ease, making it perfect for any project that demands both beauty and functionality. This square cane webbing isn't just for baskets, its applications are virtually limitless. From revitalizing old furniture and crafting unique home decor, to adding a touch of artistic flair to tables, chairs, beds, storage cabinets, and even ceilings, This webbing transforms everyday items into stunning pieces of art. Your imagination is the only limit. For optimal results, soak the webbing in warm water for 30 minutes before use. This step softens the material, making it more flexible and easier to work with. Afterward, a simple wipe with light salt water will not only clean the surface, but also enhance its durability, preventing brittleness and warding off pests. With the 24 inches width natural square cane webbing, you have the power to infuse your space with creativity and elegance. Cut it to your desired size or shape with scissors, and let your project shine with the timeless beauty of natural rattan. Elevate your craft and make your home truly unique with this top-notch webbing. Coming in at number 7 on our top 10 countdown of the best-selling basket-making products on Amazon is the Commonwealth Basket 12 FC Flat Reed, a 1-pound coil that is a game-changer for weavers everywhere. With approximately 185 feet of premium flat reed, this coil is your ticket to crafting with both precision and ease. Measuring 10.8 inches in height and width, and a slender 1.12 inches in depth, this coil packs a lot of material into a compact and manageable size. Weighing in at just over an ounce, it's incredibly light, yet robust enough to handle a variety of weaving projects. Whether you're crafting intricate baskets, creating durable furniture, or engaging in any other basketry endeavor, this flat reed is designed to deliver outstanding performance. Manufactured with meticulous attention to detail, the Commonwealth Basket 12 FC Flat Reed offers the ideal balance of flexibility and strength. Its 2-inch width provides a sturdy foundation for your projects, while the generous 185 feet of reed ensures you have ample material to bring your designs to life. Crafted with care in China, this coil is a testament to quality and reliability. It's perfect for those who value both functionality and durability in their basket-making supplies. The flat reed's versatility makes it an essential addition to any craftsperson's toolkit, allowing for endless creative possibilities. So, elevate your basketry projects with the Commonwealth Basket 12 FC Flat Reed. Embrace the quality and quantity that this top-selling coil offers, and let your creativity flourish with every inch of this expertly crafted material. At number 6 on our countdown of the best-selling basket-making products on Amazon is the Decor 24 inches Width Rattan Cane Webbing Roll, a versatile and essential addition to any crafter's collection. This 5-foot roll of hexagon weave pre-woven cane mesh is designed to elevate your projects with its unique blend of style and functionality. Crafted from high-quality rattan cane materials, Decor's webbing is a testament to durability and elegance. With years of experience in the furniture industry, they ensure that each roll undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee top-notch quality before it reaches you. Here's a top tip to get the most out of your rattan webbing. Before you start, remove any ties and soak the webbing in warm water for 15 to 30 minutes. This simple step makes the cane supple and easy to handle, ensuring that it dries taut and fits perfectly onto your frame, whether it's a drawer front, wardrobe door, or any other project. The versatility of this webbing knows no bounds. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor furniture, it's ideal for self-DIY designs, lampshade screens, ceiling decorations, and even hanging chairs. Whether you're repairing vintage seat covers, upholstering lampshades, or refreshing chairs and cupboard doors, this rattan cane webbing roll has got you covered. Not only is it strong and easy to use, but the uniform thickness and even weaving spacing provide consistent force distribution, making it flexible yet resistant to breakage. Minimal tools are required to transform your furniture. Just cut to size with scissors and attach with an upholstery stapler. So, bring your creative vision to life with the Decor 24 inches Width Rattan Cane Webbing Roll. Elevate your DIY projects with its superior quality and effortless application, and watch your furniture and crafts become the envy of all. Are you loving our countdown of the top-selling basket-making products on Amazon? If so, don't just weave through, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the best picks. At number 5 in our countdown of Amazon's top-selling basket-making products, we unveil the 14 inches width x 3.3 feet cane rattan webbing roll, a must-have for anyone passionate about crafting and home decor. This roll of pre-woven cane webbing brings together durability, flexibility, and style, making it an essential addition to your project toolkit. Crafted from high-quality rattan, this webbing roll is designed to withstand the test of time. It's an all-weather material, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring long-lasting beauty and functionality regardless of the elements. With its smooth surface, it won't scratch or cause any inconvenience during use, making your crafting experience both enjoyable and efficient. The open mesh design is not only tough, but also incredibly light, making it easy to bend and shape as needed. Eco-friendly and naturally insect-proof, this rattan webbing roll is a smart choice for adding a touch of sophistication to your living space while keeping pests at bay. Measuring 14 inches in width and 3.3 feet in length, this webbing roll provides the perfect size for a variety of applications. Whether you're decorating furniture, chairs, tables, cabinets, ceilings, or beds, its generous dimensions are ideal for daily use. The cane sheet is easy to cut to your desired size and shape with scissors, giving you the freedom to unleash your creativity and enhance your DIY projects. For optimal results, soak the webbing in water for 10 to 15 minutes before use. This simple step will make the rattan material flat, flexible, and durable. Plus, cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe the surface with warm water to save time and effort. Transform your projects with the 14 inches width x 3.3 feet cane rattan webbing roll. Embrace its versatility, durability, and ease of use, and let your creativity flourish as you bring your vision to life. At number 4 in our top 10 countdown of best-selling basket-making products on Amazon, we present the #9 Spline for 1/4 inches groove chair caning, a 6-foot coil that stands out for its practicality and precision. Crafted by VRC, this spline is an indispensable tool for chair caning and other intricate weaving projects. Made from high-quality reed, it offers a blend of durability and flexibility that makes it ideal for achieving professional results. With a weight of just 0.04 pounds, it's surprisingly light, yet robust enough to handle various applications with ease. The oval shape of this spline is specifically designed to fit snugly into 1/4 inches grooves, ensuring a perfect, secure fit for your caning projects. Whether you're restoring a cherished chair or embarking on a new crafting adventure, this 6-foot coil provides the right amount of material to get the job done efficiently. With only one piece per package, you can rely on the precision and quality of this spline to elevate your caning projects. Its compact, yet effective design makes it a top choice for both seasoned artisans and enthusiastic DIYers alike. Enhance your basket making and caning experience with the #9 Spline for 1/4 inches. Groove chair caning. Embrace its exceptional quality and functionality, and let it be the finishing touch that transforms your projects into masterpieces. At number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling basket-making products on Amazon, we introduced the premium 14 inches cane webbing roll, an exceptional choice for those who value authenticity and quality in their DIY projects. Crafted from 100% natural rattan, this cane webbing roll stands out for its eco-friendly and non-toxic attributes. Embrace your crafting journey with the peace of mind that comes from using a product free from harmful chemicals. Our rattan webbing adheres to stringent quality standards, ensuring you work with only the finest materials. Experience the rustic charm that defines our rattan roll. Every strand showcases the natural grain pattern of rattan, offering a genuine caning authenticity that synthetic materials simply can't replicate. This undyed rattan roll brings a timeless allure to your projects, steering clear of the artificial appearance often associated with mass-produced alternatives. Despite its feather-light weight, this cane webbing roll combines durability with impressive flexibility. It's perfect for a variety of applications, whether you're restoring caning chairs, enhancing cabinets, or crafting bespoke beds. The material's resilience to pressure and squeezing ensures that your creations stand the test of time. Measuring 14 inches in width and 3.3 feet in length, this roll provides ample canvas for your DIY endeavors. Enjoy a smooth, comfortable texture that prevents scratches or irritation. Our rattan webbing promises a gentle touch, making it as pleasant to handle as it is to behold. Before diving into your project, remember to soak the rattan fabric roll in warm water for 30 minutes. This simple step enhances the material's flexibility, allowing it to mold effortlessly to your creative vision. Prepare to transform your projects with the premium 14 inches cane webbing roll, where natural beauty meets unparalleled craftsmanship. Taking the second spot in our top 10 countdown is the natural width rattan cane webbing roll, your gateway to transforming furniture and DIY projects with elegance and ease. Experience unparalleled quality with this 16x40 woven cane mesh net, crafted from premium natural rattan imported from China. This cane webbing isn't just eco-friendly and non-toxic, it's also carefully selected and processed to ensure top-notch performance. With its natural insect-proof properties, you're investing in durability and peace of mind. Our rattan webbing roll stands out for its light yet robust nature. It's tough, flexible, and effortlessly bendable, making it ideal for a range of applications, from decorating furniture to enhancing your favorite DIY crafts. Whether you're revamping chairs, beds, or cabinets, or adding a touch of charm to ceilings and dividers, this webbing offers both style and substance. But the benefits don't end there. This versatile webbing allows you to cut it to any size or shape you need, adapting seamlessly to your creative visions. And with our commitment to customer satisfaction, you're covered by a lifetime warranty. We're here to support you, whether you need assistance with assembly or have suggestions to enhance our products. To get the most out of your rattan webbing, follow this simple tip. Before use, soak the cane webbing in warm water for 15–30 minutes. This process makes the webbing supple, ensuring it's easy to cut and fit into any frame. Embrace the natural charm and flexibility of our 16x40 cane webbing roll and elevate your projects to new heights. Claiming the top spot in our countdown is the plastic rattan webbing roll, your ultimate choice for versatile, stylish DIY projects and home decor transformations. Let's dive into what makes this product stand out. Crafted from durable plastic synthetic material, polyethylene, this rattan webbing roll is lightweight, yet built to endure. It's designed to resist breaking or deforming, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. With dimensions of 16 inches by 20 inches and a thickness of 1.2 mm, this roll provides ample material for your creative endeavors. Ideal for a range of uses, this faux cane mesh features a chic hexagonal pattern that adds a touch of retro elegance to your furniture. Whether you're revamping chairs, cabinets, wardrobes, or even room dividers, this webbing roll brings a sophisticated flair to every project. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality too. The beauty of this product extends to your wallet. By choosing plastic rattan webbing, you're opting for an affordable solution that doesn't skimp on style. It's perfect for DIY handicrafts, reducing your crafting costs while delivering high-quality results. Each package includes one roll of natural-colored plastic rattan cane webbing, ready to be integrated into your next project. So, if you're ready to elevate your home decor with ease and elegance, this is the top pick to bring your vision to life. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling basket-making products on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.